do a little bit of a closet clean out. I like to do this like every couple of months, just get rid of a few pieces, list them on my Poshmark. Today's sponsor is actually Poshmark, which I'm really excited about. I'm sure you all know what Poshmark is, but if you don't, it is the leading marketplace to buy and sell fashion. You can find amazing deals on Poshmark and shop from thousands of your favorite brands. They have, I mean, basically everything. They have Zara, they have Converse, they sell Anthropology, they have vintage items. I mean, basically anything you want you can find on Poshmark for up to 70% off of retail. You can also use Poshmark to sell your items and make room for the new stuff that you're gonna buy on Poshmark. My username is MaddiBragg with 3 G's instead of 2. I'll leave a link down below, of course, and put it here on the screen so you can find me. They also have luxury brands available at affordable prices, and they offer complimentary authentication on orders over $500. The most exciting part about all of this is that I'm doing a giveaway on my Poshmark. I'm giving away something very exciting, something brand new, something luxury. This Dior book tote. This is literally so cute. It's the perfect little take everywhere with you tote. This retails for $3 grand. And you could get it for $3. So I'm gonna tell you exactly how to enter to win that beautiful bag. If you haven't already downloaded the Poshmark app, go down into the description and click the link and download the Poshmark app. You're gonna sign up or log in if you already have an account. You're gonna go to my profile and find the listing for the bag, and you're going to give it a heart or a like. And everybody who liked the listing will be immediately notified as soon as the price drops down to $3. As soon as the price drops, the giveaway will last for 48 hours. Be sure to follow me on Poshmark and shop my closet and enter this super exciting giveaway. And I think that's it for right now. Thank you so much to Poshmark for sponsoring this video and partnering with me to do this super exciting giveaway for all of you guys. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. market because I haven't baked anything since I moved into this new apartment, so I didn't have like flour or brown sugar. I needed a couple other things. So now we're gonna make a peach upside down cake because I have a couple peaches from the farmer's market, and I just woke up and felt like baking a cake today, so that's what we're gonna do. Frustrated when I was working with the sugar. It turned out delicious, and now I have an entire cake, so I gotta figure out something to do with it. A couple weeks ago, I met April, who does partnerships for Ilya, and she sent me a whole package of goodies. Look at all of this stuff. I mean, like, it's so much makeup. I'm so excited. I love Ilya's products. I love their skin tint. I love their mascaras. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Wow. Hi. Thank you so much, April. I don't know if you're watching this video, but you're so sweet. Dinner, if that. I cooked some skirt steak that I bought marinated from my butcher shop, heated up some siete tortillas, threw some avo and some shallots. And that is dinner for tonight because I'm lazy, but still looks bomb. Before I end this video, I want to say thank you again to the sponsor of this video, which is Poshmark. Make sure you guys download the Poshmark app using the link in my description and shop from my closet or from your favorite brands. And also don't forget to enter the giveaway. I keep forgetting to end my videos lately, so I just wanted to say a huge thank you for you guys' continued support and all of your sweet comments. I literally read all of my comments. It's my favorite thing to do because you guys are so nice, so cool, so supportive. I just love chatting with you guys and reading all of your nice messages. Like seriously, I don't know what I did to deserve such an amazing community. You guys are the best, seriously. So leave a comment down below if you want to chat. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I always forget to say those things, but it's important, I guess. And that's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next one.